Good morning, everyone. It is 2:10 a.m. on this Tuesday morning. I am happy to report that we just finished with the tech team after about 5 or 6 hours. Got everything sorted, so now you should be able to look at the test questions, how you answered those test questions, and whether it was a correct result or not after you submit your answers. So let me do a quick tutorial and show you how that works. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to log into the website at checkride-prep.com. Then I'm going to click on online training courses. After I go to online training courses, I'm then going to go to the free online private pilot ground school. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And in this case, we currently just taught the class 4 federal aviation regulations, but I'm going to go ahead and show you class 3, which is airspace and aeronautical charts. So I'm clicking on that. At the very, very bottom of the lesson, beneath the homework, you're going to find something that says lesson content, and it says Airspace and Aeronautical Charts class quiz. Go ahead and click on that. And this is going to open up that class quiz. Now we can see that there are a total of 25 questions here. So if I go through this, and I'm just going to go ahead and answer a few of these randomly, I don't know if they're right or they're wrong. Now let's assume that I want to now get a bite to eat. Let's say it's pretty much breakfast time here. So let's say that I want to go ahead and get breakfast, and I'm stopping at question number 5. I'm a little tired and I want to pick this up at a later time. I can navigate anywhere else off of this page or completely log out. And when I'm done with breakfast or whenever I want to come back to the quiz, I can go back to the class 3 airspace, scroll down to the very, very bottom where it says airspace and aeronautical charts class quiz. And as you can see here, it shows that nothing's saved. Now, this is the key. If I wanted to start the quiz completely over from scratch, I can do so, or I can go over and hit the resume button. Now, by hitting the resume button, this is now going to put those answers that I had previously in there back in to the test, and it will basically resume where I left off. So that way, especially on the federal aviation regulations, where it is a much, much longer quiz, you don't have to do the quiz all in one sitting. Now, here is also what I want to show you is once I'm all done with everything, I'm going to go ahead and click on quiz summary, and I'm going to finish the quiz. And in the past, it did not give me anything other than the results. So at this point, what I want you to do is you're going to have a new option that says view questions. If you click on view questions, it's now going to show you how you answered the question. In this case, I answered it correctly. In the second question, I chose 14,500, which was an incorrect answer, but it highlights the correct answer of 18,000 feet MSL. Now, this is the only time that it's going to show you the actual test question, how you answered, and also what is the correct answer. So if you want to save these, what I recommend is go ahead and go Control P, and if you're using Chrome, you can click on Save PDF, and then you can save that document as a PDF for something for you to refer back to. Once you're done, and you're done with everything, you can either look at the leaderboard, and the leaderboard is going to show based on username who's doing the best in the class. Every time that you take a test or a quiz, it's going to automatically enter you into the leaderboard. Now, if I go back to the student profile, so remember, if I go to the very top, underneath the welcome menu under student profile on the left-hand side, if I click that, and then go to the class that we're currently taking. So I'm going to move to the left of the free online class where that triangle is, and the chevron's going to go down. As you can see here, these are all of the quizzes or attempts of quizzes that I've taken. So the most recent attempt is going to be at, looks like it's right here at, let's see, 2:13 a.m. on July 28th. I can go ahead and click statistics. Now the difference here is that this statistics page is just going to show you how you answered the question. So in this case, what will end up happening is it will show you if you got the answer correct. So number 1 here, it says that I have the answer correct because it gives me 100% and it gives me the correct answer. Number two, I have an incorrect answer, but it doesn't show me well, it does show me how I answered the quiz. It's very faint to see, but it's that little tiny dot there that says 14.5 next to it. And the green is going to be the correct answer. If I look at number three, I answered C, which is this third one, class golf, but the correct answer is class echo. I'll show you one more here. I answered 1,000 feet and 3 statute miles, which was the correct answer. We know that because the little bullet has the dot in it, and I have 100%. So hopefully this will help out a lot of people in terms of looking at your past tests and also looking at the quizzes moving forward. I appreciate your patience. It took about 5 or 6 hours to get this situated. Other than that, I hope everyone has a great morning. I will see everybody on Wednesday at 5 p.m. for the continuation of this class. We're going to be covering the remainder of the NTSB reporting requirements. In addition to that, we're also going to be covering inoperative equipment and then moving into airport operations. I hope everyone has a great morning, and I'll talk to you later.